going on? It's Kaylie with Eagle Eye News. Today we're going to interview people about songs they're listening to. Today we're here with
Mr. Guerrero.
What song are you listening to?
Mascara by Deftones.
Okay. You got it? Got the framing right? All right. All right, today we're here with
Jace.
And what song are you listening to?
I'm listening to New Again by Kanye West.
New Again by Kanye West.
That don't deserve me. Shit, I really bought the Burberry last Thursday. Wear a different color jersey every Thursday. Post a meet in Malibu, you post some pics in Jersey. It's the lady.
All right. Today we're here with.
Jabraylin.
All right, now what song are you listening to?
Shake Some by the Baby.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it.
Hey Eagle Eye News, my name is Kaylie Garza, and today I'll be interviewing people about their favorite class. Hey Eagles, I'm here with Jack, and so today I'll be asking what his favorite class is.
Definitely AP US History.
Okay, why is this your favorite class?
Because my teacher, Miss Townley.
Okay, thank you. Today I'm with Aubrey, and today I'll be asking her what her favorite class is.
My favorite class is probably World History because of my teacher.
Perfect, thank you. Hey guys, I'm with Natalie, Kenzie, and Natalie, and today I'll be asking them what their favorite class is.
Probably English. AP Bio. English.
And why is this y'all's favorite class?
Because I love reading. I like the subject. I like writing.
Okay, perfect, thank y'all.
Thank you.
Hey Eagles, I'm with Angel here, and today I'll be asking him what his favorite class is.
Algebra 3.
Okay, why is this your favorite class?
I'm really good at math. I'm like really smart too. I'm just like a constantly good student, bro. Like it's also really nice because I have a Ramaya in my class. She's pretty cool. She does copy off of me a lot though, which is kind of.
Okay,
Yeah, next.
perfect. That's good, thank you. Hey guys, I'm here with Bo and Tage, and today I'll be asking them what their favorite class is.
My favorite class is AP Bio. My favorite class is AP Bio because Mr. Bowling. He's my favorite teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Personally, my favorite class would probably have to be AP Pre-Cal, be with Mr. Robinson, because he's the GOAT.
Hey Eagles, I'm with Lauren, and today I'll be asking her what her favorite class is.
My favorite class is floral design because it's easy and it's chill and it's cute and fun.
Perfect, thank you. Guys, I'm with Reagan here, and today I'll be asking her what her favorite class is.
My favorite class will probably be midterms right now
Why is that your favorite class?
because I love my teacher, Miss Flores.
Perfect, thank you. Hey guys, I'm with Aiden here, and today I'll be asking him what his favorite class is.
Pre-cal.
Okay, why is this your favorite class?
Because I like Mr. Robinson.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
We're gonna be making cinnamon bread buns for a little school snack. Add 1.5 cups of flour, half a packet of yeast, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix until it's combined. 3/4 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of water. Now mix until a dough forms. Mix like this until smooth. Place in an old bowl and let it rise for an hour or until doubled in size. Place flour on a flat surface and knead for about 10 minutes. Roll the dough and then cut into small pieces. Form a small ball. Sprinkle baking soda into cold water. Place the dough into the water for about 15 seconds. Take them out and place them on a dry surface. Now brush the dough with egg wash. Put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Take them out and coat them with butter. Fill a bag with sugar and ground cinnamon and shake. Place the bread in a bag and shake until it's covered. It should look something like this. Here are the measurements in case you need them written down.
What's your favorite sports or sports team?
I like basketball. I'm a proud Philadelphia fan. When the Astros beat the Phillies in the World Series, people I didn't know walked up to me, and people shouted at me in the hallways, "Philly sucks." That was kind of weird.
I like the Astros.
My favorite sports team is the Steelers.
What's your favorite part of school since coming back?
None. I want to go back home.
I like having more classes with my friends.
I like going to class.
What's your favorite genre of music?
I like Kanye.
Thank you.
I like rock or rap, something like that, okay?
I like the Smiths. I think they're nice.
Thank you.
Is it filming? Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you a question? Okay, what's your favorite Five Nights at Freddy's character?
I don't know what that is, gang. I'm not gonna hold you.
You don't?
No.
Who do you hate the most?
You.
It's not cool you said, but you can't talk to people like that. You can't talk to people like that. Okay, are you sorry? Okay. Let's just go. Let's just go. What's the best starter Pokemon?
I'm gonna be honest. Gotta go Pikachu.
Pikachu isn't an official starter, so you're wrong.
Watch out, guys. We're on the
Fake fan! Can I ask you a question? Is it good? No? Why not? Can I have a tater tot? Thank you. You're a real one. Thank you. Hello. Guys, very important question. What is the best starter Pokemon?
I don't know, probably like...
I don't think he knows.
Wrong answer.
What about you?
Kirby.
Hashtag the A-Way. We have been...
Hashtag the A-Way.
What was the last concert you've gone to?
Man, I have not gone to a concert. And
Boring!
I'm gonna go to the TV Girl concert. I can't go to the Lana Del Rey
Wow.
Hello Mary too, which was $15 ticket.
Take it. I'm like an evil witch. Take it!
Oh, okay. What do you... Let me go. He's on the... What's your cartoon look like?
Oh, my cartoon look like Mickey Mouse.
You got this. What you say?
Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Thank you so much.
No, excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Okay. Name 5 countries in South America.
No answer. Who's your cartoon look-alike?
Huh?
Who's your cartoon look-alike?
I feel like right now it's like Maui.
Maui?
Ask him the question.
Outside? You want to take it outside? All right, let's go. Hey, pals, can I ask you guys a question?
Sure.
Okay, you're being recorded, by the way. Okay, who is the best Five Nights at Freddy's character?
Bonnie.
Bonnie, what about you?
Freddy.
Freddy, basic. Freddy is basic. All right, it's obviously Puppet. Let's move on. Okay. I don't even have any commentary for that. Okay. Okay.
Pot of Gold, interview show for children.
We're here with Steven Johnson, and Mr. Johnson, your young fan here, has a question.
Steven, you've inspired me so much. What can I do to be more like you?
first off, where do you get off using my first name? You ain't got no license. You ain't got no degree. You see, I'm 72. You're like 11, right? So where do you get off using my first name? To you, I'm Mr. Johnson. You see, and I don't care what your parents do. You know what? Your parents don't even got a degree to be calling me by my first name. You see, I don't care what y'all got. Y'all ain't got nothing to be using my first name. And you know another thing that annoys me? I hate this generation and their little relationships. Oh, I'm too scared to talk to the girl I'm talking to. Shut up, okay? You see, back in my day, what we used to do to get women is we used to go up to them and be like, hey, I like you and I want you. I got a 1967 Chevy Corvette. You see, that's all you had to say. But now you be scared because of, I don't even know what y'all be talking about half the time. Y'all need to stop being so scared all the time. You feel me? But to answer your question, what inspires me? My mom, she inspired me. So.
That's great. Thank you. Oh, and it looks like you got another kid here.
Mr. Jackson, how do you write such good books?
First off, I'm tired of this TikTok generation and their crappy little attention span. Oh, I can't pay attention to calculus class. I can't believe it. You know what I mean? It's tiring. I'm tired of dealing with it. And you know another thing that annoys me? These child labor laws, right? You apparently can't have kids that'll do your work for you. You see, I got to do all the work. All these children books I wrote them. I can't have children writing books for me. I don't even know what kids like these days. What do y'all like? Do y'all like McDonald's, Chick-fil-A? Some of y'all need to get off the McDonald's and Chick-fil-A, okay? And that's okay, all right? I think kids these days need to hit the gym, right? Schools need to enforce PE. We can't be having kids sitting down, not doing anything with their physical health. Y'all need physical health.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any more questions?
We'll be back.